Good morning, friends. And today for our reading lesson, I need your help. We have been talking about pointer power and partner power, and I need your help. I'm going to read a book, and I need you to tell me if I'm doing it correctly. Am I pointing to the right words? Am I stopping at the right places? And am I using my snap words correctly? Okay, so I need you to pay close attention and let me know if I'm doing it right or not. The park. I can see the grass. I know to stop here because that's a period and that tells me to stop. Sorry, friends. I can see the flowers. I can see the tall trees. They are big. I can see the blue bird. It has a friend. I can see the slide. I can see the swings. I can see the children. I can see the park. It's very big and fun. Alright, friends, now I need you to tell me if I read that book correctly or if I made some mistakes. If I made some mistakes, I need you to tell me what I did. And then I need you to tell me how I can fix it. Okay?